Hi all, Mads Barnkop from Kaizer Power Electronics. Today we're taking a look at this Dell server fan that I got out of the PowerEdge M1000E enclosure. It is a pretty insane looking fan. As you can see, it has a jet turbine design. It is called a redundant fan as it has two fan blades inside and two motors. It has a pretty crazy connector here. Has 3 red and 3 black wires for the power in, and then has a additional 6 control wires or feedback wires. If we take a look at the little data plate here, we can actually see it's rated for 12 volt DC at 7 amps, 100 watts of fan power, and that unit has 9 of these. So let's see if we can get this to run and have some fun with it. The fan assembly here is a Dell product number U569P revision A00. Airflow is that direction, so we can see it actually blows out this grill and pulls cold air into the server and pulls it out, or blows it out. 12 volt DC at 7 amps as we said, and it seems like we have these 6 power wires and some control and feedback wires. All goes underneath this shield, so let's just try to remove that. Okay, wow! That turned out to be a little more advanced than I would first have imagined. Let's see, assembly with cables, PCB assembly. Okay, so that's 2 different assemblies. Let's see what we have over here, some kind of microcontroller. Okay, that's impossible to read for me without a lens. But we can check out the incoming power connectors here, which actually seems to be ground stitched. So all 3 are in parallel, maybe except that red one. But the black ones seems to be the same. So here we might have 2 current sensing resistors, as it says R02. So it's a 0.02 ohm resistor. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 output MOSFETs. That's a little weird. Some of the colored wires here, 4 of them actually goes up to the front here. And it seems like we have it's the 2 diodes for fault or running indication. So it seems like we have some small controller sitting here that all connects up to the large microcontroller. With a few screws removed, the whole enclosure comes apart. As we can see here, the tunnel part here, just 2 halves with the motor sitting in the middle. Now the back side of the PCB, it seems like we have 2 feedback pins, one from the green and one from the blue wire, and the other one goes down through the board to a power track. And both the white wires are bridged over to the same connection here. So the white is probably a common power supply rail, and then for each motor there is a green and a blue. So if we just disconnect the motors, and also see the bulk capacitance here is 330 microfarads, 25 volt DC, 4 of those, and has additional 6 smaller 10 microfarads. The motor assembly itself sits in 2 blue rubber gaskets. Has some balanced steel balls for balancing the blade sitting there. And if we look at the other end, we also have some smaller balance balls sitting here. This is most likely a... Oh, that's interesting. It's actually only 1 blade. This is just the turbine design. I wonder what really makes this a redundant, that it has 1 fan but 2 motors inside, so you can actually have 1 motor fail and the other one just go on. That's a much more interesting design that I first imagined. At first I will just try to fire this up to 12 volt on the power side and see what happens. Okay, so it actually starts to run, but my laptop power supply, of course, does hit its current limiter. So it seems like we just need to plug this into 12 volt DC and it will go bananas in some kind of emergency mode where it has lost control, but if there's power, just cool that damn server. So let's find a bigger power supply. So that's 9 of them ready. The grill has been removed, the excess plastic parts have been cut off, and I think I'll just need to find some kind of box for this, and then we're ready to go. So this is the first power test of the 800 watt server fan. This is probably a pretty bad idea considering all the sawdust and tools, but hell, let's go. Yeah, that works. Sawdust in my eyes. Perfect. So here it is, the 800 watt server turbo fan. This is probably a really good idea.